Good morning, children. Lesson number 4, Keeping Clean. What's your new chapter? Keeping Clean. In this chapter, what you are going to learn? Keep the body clean, keep the home clean. So, fill in the boxes. So, you should fill in these boxes, children. I clean my dash with a toothbrush. So what you will clean with toothbrush, children? So you will clean your teeth, no? Yes. So what is the spelling of teeth? T E E T H, teeth. Okay. I use dash and dash to take a bath. What you will use, children? You will use soap, no? I use soap. S-O-A-P, soap, and water, W-A-T-E-R, water. I use soap and water to take a bath. Keep the body clean. We see dust everywhere, on the floor, on the table, etc. Yes, no, children? You will see the dust everywhere, on the floor, on the table, on the chair, on the televisions. Yes or no? So dust will be everywhere, children. Dust sticks even to our body when we play in the open. So this dust will be stick even to your body, children, when you play in the open. When you will go outside, no, to play, that time that dust will stick on your body. Dust makes our body dirty. Yes, children, this dirt is there, no? That dust makes your body dirty. We also sweat when we play. We should have a bath using soap and water to clean our body. We should bath twice a day. So dust stick even to your body, children, when you are playing in the open. What happens? That dust makes your body dirty. And you will get sweat also, no, when you will play. So what you should do? You should take a bath using soap and water to clean your body, children. You should bath twice a day. Twice a day means 2 times. Okay, 2 times you should take the bath, morning and night time. Okay. We should also wash our hairs regularly. Yes, children, you should wash your hair regularly using shampoo. Yes or no, children? Yes. We should oil our hair and comb it every day. So you should oil your hair, children, and comb it every day. When you comb it, you will look very smart, children. Everybody will say you are looking very smart. Yes or no? We should wear clean and washed clothes. Yes, you should wear clean and washed clothes, children. Yes or no? Yes. We should cut our nails every week. What you should do? You should cut your nails every week, children. So we should wash our hands and feet with soap when we come back home. We should always wash our hands before and after every meal. So we should wash our hands and legs. Wash our hands and feet means your legs with soap, children. When you come back to home, after finishing your play, you will come back to your home, no, children. That time what you should do? You should wash your hands, legs with soap, children. We should always wash our hands before and after meal, every meal. So you should wash your hands before and after eating, children. If you eat snacks also, what you should do, you should wash your hands and you eat these snacks. Okay, children. After eating also you should go and you should wash your hands. We should brush our teeth every morning when we wake up and also before going to bed. Yes, children. We should, what you will do, children, you will brush your teeth every morning. No, when you wake up in the early morning itself, you will wake up, means what you should do, first you should brush your teeth, and also before going to bed at the night time you will go to sleep. No, that time also you should brush the teeth. So two times you should brush the teeth, morning one time and night one time. Okay, children. We should clean our teeth with a toothbrush and a toothpaste. Yes, children, what you will use, children, to brush your teeth? You will use toothbrush and toothpaste. Yes or no? Yes. So you should clean your teeth with toothbrush and toothpaste in the morning and in night. Okay. When we eat food, small particles of the food remains in our teeth. They spoil our teeth. Therefore, we should also therefore we should also rinse our mouth after every meal. So you will eat food, no, some small particles will remain in your teeth. They will spoil your teeth, children. So what you should do, you should wash your mouth after every meal, children. After every meal you should wash your mouth. Okay. We should flush the toilet after using it, then wash our hands with soap. What you should do, you should flush the toilet after using it, children. Then wash your hands with soap, children. When you will go to restroom, no, for toilet, afterwards what you should do, you should wash your hands with a soap. Keep the home clean. We should keep our house clean. You should keep your house clean, children. Waste should be thrown in the dustbin. Thrown into the dustbin. So waste should be thrown into the dustbin, children. You should throw into the dustbin. You should not throw outside and all. You should throw in the dustbin only. We should keep our books and toys at their proper place after use. What you should do, you should keep your books and toys at the proper place, children. You should not throw here and there. You should not keep here and there. You should keep in a proper place after playing your toys and all. What you should do, you should keep in a proper place. After using that, you should keep in a proper place. Okay, that is the end of your lesson. Thank you.